Righto. Bo and Todd, a couple of young fellas that are doing the Cert 4. I'm going to ask you some questions, guys.
Sounds good.
Yeah? Firstly, do you guys read much? No?
No books.
So, no books, so you would say that you're more of a visual learner?
Yeah.
Yeah? You like more visuals?
Yep.
All right. What would be the 3 most social apps that you would use? On your phone, obviously.
Facebook,
Facebook,
Instagram.
Instagram,
Snapchat.
Snapchat. Do you actually learn from those, or is it just more of a social thing?
I reckon Instagram and Facebook you could learn from, because it kind of will pop up in your feed if you're following on or following something building related.
So you would find that handy for you rather than just sitting in on a lesson?
Yeah.
Okay, that's interesting.
Yeah.
Okay. What is the best way that you blokes would learn?
More through quizzes.
Okay, so doing a
during the
quiz.
lesson, yeah.
Okay, yeah. So in the lesson,
Yeah.
what else?
I enjoyed we were doing piling in
Yeah.
one of the topics. We got a specialist in that did that every day.
Yeah.
I really enjoyed having someone that's like hands-on with it, come in and have a chat about it.
Okay, so that's interesting. So actually having someone, a specialist, coming in talking to you about it.
Yeah, that was
Yeah?
good.
Okay. If you wanted to learn something, where would you find that information?
If I wanted to learn, if it was building related, I'd either go to some of the boys on the job site, or I'd have a go at looking at it on YouTube, or just kind of having an outsource,
Yeah.
Googling it.
Also,
Okay, so you'd probably Google it,
Yeah.
maybe look at YouTube,
Yeah.
even
that makes me
search
think-
through NCC as well.
searching through the
Yeah,
code.
yeah,
Okay, that's
yeah.
interesting. What about if you get a new product or a manufacturing product?
Oh, for sure now, go to the manufacturer's guide.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, have a look through that. That gives you all the information you need to know. on that.
Would you be happy, what would you prefer if you had an option? You had the manufacturer's guidelines and they had 5-10 page document on how to do something,
Yeah.
or you had an option of looking at a video
Video.
straight away?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I'll get more specific.
Yep.
With the Cert 4 building
Yep.
course that like you guys have just done the first year, completed the first year,
Yep.
what was one of your favourite subjects and why?
I'd have to say drawing.
Yeah?
Yeah, I
Why did you enjoy the drawing so much?
I think the drawing, it was a good way to learn, and I think it's really important to, when you have a client and they're struggling to visualise it, if you can draw it and show that client exactly what they're going to get, that's a really important part of the building stage, I reckon.
Okay, and you can see it yourself as well,
Yeah,
can't you?
yeah.
Yeah, right. Okay, that's good. What about yourself, Todd?
Yeah, I think planning was a good subject. You know, get your head around
Yeah.
how to plan a job.
Go through and through.
Yeah.
Okay.
Get an insight into that.
Okay, so there's hands-on understanding the planning of a project and how you're going to build it, which sort of links quite well with the drawing.
Yep.
All right, nearly finished, guys, and thank you. What was one of your best or your preferred connected online lessons? So, if you wanted an ideal lesson,
Yep.
what would you like to see? How would it be
I'd
run?
like to not be sitting throughout the whole 3 hours of the lesson from 5:30 to 8:30, listening just to the one teacher kind of go on. It is good sometimes, but I prefer just shortening the lessons down a bit.
Yep.
Maybe 1 hour, 1.5 hours,
Yep.
with a few quizzes throughout the lesson just to keep you engaged.
Every 20
Okay.
or so minutes.
Every 20 minutes.
Have just a short 5-minute quiz or so.
Yeah.
Yep.
Just as it drags on, you sort of lose concentration a bit, and every 20 minutes or so, have a quiz just to go over what you've done and to keep you.
And then after that hour and a half,
You can go into your
jump
breakout
into
room
your breakout rooms and
ask your teacher.
have a bit more connected learning with your specific teacher.
Yeah,
I think.
I struggled with the SketchUp a lot, so I've never.
You found that hard, so you've upskilled with your computer skills.
Yeah, of
It's having that bit of one-on-one.
Yeah, Luke's the teacher.
Makes it.
Okay, so one-on-one's pretty handy for you guys.
Luke helped out with me SketchUp a lot. and,
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Are you happy with the 2 nights a week?
Yeah.
Would you prefer 3 and get it done quicker, or are you happy just to?
I like 2 nights.
Yeah,
2 nights.
especially
You're happy with that?
Yeah.
working full time, 2 nights
Okay, that's a good point. Yeah. About teams, how was that for you guys?
Yeah.
How the set out was?
Yeah, it was good. That worked.
Yeah,
really well.
I like that software. It's made it kind of seamless with the assignments and that. It was easy to manage what you have and haven't done, and what you've completed, and what you still needed, what was overdue, or
Okay, so you always had something to follow. So did you use it on your phone?
No, I didn't use it
No.
on the phone.
No?
No,
Oh, okay.
just go to the computer and
I'd check
straight
it.
into Teams, and you can check.
Yeah,
check
I'd check it
everything you've
before the
done.
lessons, or
Yeah,
maybe if I was on the computer, maybe on one of the nights that we didn't have the builders, then maybe just quickly go on and check I had nothing overdue, or
Okay.
it'd come up.
Yep.
yeah, that was easy. Yeah.
Guys, thank you so much.
No worries.
Good on you, Bo. Good on you, Todd.